Today, we want to take a look at the improvements that using the ray command brings when saving an image of a PyMOL session. Essentially, it allows you to save high-resolution images after a beautiful 3D rendering, with the option to remove the background. First, we save the image without rendering for comparison at the end of this video. Then I make the background transparent. Next, we use the ray command with the desired dimensions in pixels. Afterward, we can save the rendered image in PNG format. We can do the same with the receptor displayed in surface mode. First saving the image without rendering, and then using the ray command to generate a 3D rendered image at 2400 by 2400 pixels, with shadows and other 3D rendering enhancements. Finally, here you can compare the images with and without 3D rendering. Support us by liking and subscribing to our channel.